Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, this is Sadia once again back with another hijab tutorial for all my lovely Hijabi Sahibas. So this week it's going to be a bridal hijab tutorial. As you can see, I'm really dressed up like a bride. So this one was requested by one of my followers. She told me to do two different kinds of hijab tutorials, but in this video you're going to see only one, and the next one is going to be coming out next week inshallah, so stay tuned for that one. And a little thing I want to say about this one is you are going to need only one hijab for this. I used a cotton because I really didn't have a very exclusive hijab with matching with this saree, so I used a normal cotton one. I would suggest you to wear a silk one. It goes really nice and it wears really nice, so I will suggest you that. And of course you can see it's not a wedding tunic, it's just another scarf. I used it as a wedding tunic. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe to my channel if you are already not subscribed. So without any further ado, let's move into the video.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I baby, why do I baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours.
I could see it in your eyes from the moment we first met. There was something different about you. I couldn't see myself without you. Now I know what it is that makes me love you like I do. It's all that I've been longing for. I don't have to look for it anymore. You give me something to believe in, a hope that I can build on, a trust and a devotion. I'm caught up in emotion.